Okay students, in this video we are going to discuss the applications of Ortho Center. Already in last video, lecture 7, we discussed about the concept of the Ortho Center and some shortcuts we discussed in that video. Now we will see that applications of ortho center. See this problem. If a is equals to 3 comma minus 4, b is equals to 7 comma 2 or ends of a diameter of a circle and c is equals to 3 comma 2 is a point on the circle. First of all, you understand a and b are the ends of diameter of a circle. Now you draw the circle. So here this one is the circle, right? So you take that diameter. Diameter means what? Which passes through the center of the circle. This one is that center. This is that center. Here A and B are ends of the diameter. Then above the diameter and below the diameter are the semicircles and next one, C is equals to 3 comma 2 is a point on the circle. That means other than A and B positions, you can take the C point on the circumference of the circle except these two positions. Suppose if you take that C is this position, by joining this C with the ends of the diameter, that means we know that angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Right? So already everybody knows this point. So that means at what vertex the angle is that 90 degrees? At the point C. So clearly here ABC is the right angle triangle and C is the right angle vertex. We know in that concept of ortho center, I told that right angled vertex is the ortho center of the triangle. So that C is the ortho center of a triangle. What is that C point in this one? 3 comma 2 is that ortho center. Therefore ortho center is equals to right angled vertex. Right angled vertex. Right? So this one is already we discussed in that previous video. Right? So what is the correct answer? C is the correct answer. C is equals to 3 comma 2 is the correct. So your correct option is that third option is the correct answer. This is the very most important problem. So very good concept question. Everyone remember this one. So here is that by understanding that concept of ortho center, we can do that any type of that questions. Now we will see that next problem. See, if two vertices of a triangle are 5 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma 3, and if the ortho center lie at origin, then coordinates of third vertex. Already we know that concept. What is that concept? See, you take that triangle ABC. Let it be that triangle is that ABC. Okay, two vertices are given. two vertices are 5 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma 3. These two will be represent either AB or BC or AC. Suppose you take that BC 5 comma, this one is minus 1 and C is that minus 2 comma 3. C is that minus 2 comma 3. And here ortho center is that origin. Ortho center is origin. This one is that 0 comma 0. Right? Then we have to find the coordinates of the third vertex. So already we discussed that concept. Third vertex will be that ortho center of the triangle formed by B, O and C. That means this one is that ortho center. A is that ortho center of the triangle BOC. Now how can we find the ortho center of this triangle? See, look at this one. Here is that I said that simple technique is that, so here x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2, this is x3 comma y3. You find the altitude of that one altitude of the triangle. See, here you find that one altitude is that x minus this is that x1 y1 and this is that x2 y2, x2 y2, this is that x3 y3, right? So in this triangle you find that one altitude. Now I am finding that altitude passing through the vertex B. That means here is that x minus x1 is that 5 into x2 minus x3, that is 0 minus of minus 2 is that plus 2, plus y minus y1 is that y plus 1 into y2 minus y3. y2 minus y3 is that 0 minus 3, that is that minus 3 is equals to 0, right? By simplifying this one, you will be get that 2x minus 3 into y minus 10 minus 3, that is that minus 13 is equals to 0. So after getting that one altitude, now you can taking that one by one all the options. So which point is satisfy this altitude, that is the required ortho center of this triangle. That point will be represent the third vertex of the triangle. Say here minus 5, 2 comma minus 5, that is that minus 4 plus 15. Minus 4 plus 15 is that plus 11. So the first one is not satisfying this one. First one is not satisfying. You take 1 comma minus 2, that is that 2 plus 6 minus 13. So that is not equals to 0. So this one is also not satisfying. Minus 4 minus 7. Minus 4 minus 7 is minus 8 plus 21. Minus 8 plus 21 is that minus 8 plus 21 is that 13. 13 minus 13 is equals to 0. So this one is satisfying. And check that fourth one. 4 comma minus 7. 4 2s are 8 plus 21. 8 plus 21 is the 29. 29 minus 13 is not equals to 0. So this one is also not satisfying. So what is the correct option? Minus 4 comma minus 7. So here you write that clearly the point minus 4 comma minus 7 satisfy the above equation. Satisfy the above equation. Therefore, coordinates of third vertex. third vertex is equals to what is that point? Minus 4 comma minus 7, right? So this point is represents that what? This one is also will be equals to orthocenter of triangle BOC, that is equals to, here you also mentioned that orthocenter of triangle BOC, orthocenter of triangle BOC. So this one is the correct option. So this is also very important model. Suppose somebody will be erase the doubt. In case two options are satisfying that this equation. Suppose if two options are satisfying this equation, in such cases we should be find one more altitude. Here this one is that altitude passing through vertex B, right? So and next if two options are satisfying the equation, you find that another vertex passing through either that origin or C, right? So only those two options substitute on that second equation, only one will be satisfied, then that is the correct answer. Okay, so I expected that your doubt will be, suppose if more than two options will satisfy this equation, how can we trace out the exact answer? So that is the method is that what? You find the one more altitude and which satisfy that equation, that is the correct answer. Now we'll see the next question. Say the orthocenter of the triangle with the vertices 2 comma root 3 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2, 2 comma minus 1 by 2. First of all, you observe the coordinates of the given points. So first, what are the vertices of the triangle? 2 comma root 3 minus 1 whole divided by 2. This is the one vertex. Comma 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. This is the second another vertex. And 2 comma minus 1 by 2. Now first you observe the coordinates. Here in second and third point y coordinates are equal. Y coordinates are equal. And first and the last point x coordinates are equal. X coordinates are equal. So already we discussed this type of the points will be form a right angle triangle, but all the right angle triangle vertices need not be in this form. Okay, so here what is the right angle vertex? So the third point is the right angle vertex. This one is the right angle vertex. So here clearly these points form a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right? So what is the right angle vertex? 2 comma 3. Therefore right angle vertex is equals to right angle vertex is equals to right angle vertex is equals to 2 comma minus 1 by 2. We know in a right angle triangle orthocenter is the right angle triangle, that is equals to orthocenter of the triangle. This one is that orthocenter of the triangle, right? So what is the correct option? 2 comma minus 1 by 2. So which option? Second option is the correct answer. So orthocenter of the triangle formed by that given points is that 2 comma minus 1 by 2. Right? We'll see the next question. Say in this problem orthocenter of triangle with the vertices 0 0 3 comma 4 4 comma 0. Right? Now by observing first coordinates of all the vertices, these will not be satisfied that relation to make a right angle triangle. So this is nothing but a general triangle. Now you take that a general triangle. What is that? These are the vertices. So one vertex is nothing but 0 comma 0. Let it be, this one is that A. This is that 0 comma 0, and this one is that B. B is equals to 3 comma 4, and C is equals to 4 comma 0. So actually we have that one shortcut formula is there, but to remember that formula it is very difficult. But the simple technique is already we discussed in the previous problem, like in to find the third vertex. So here is that you find the altitude passing through any vertex. So either A or B or C. Now I am going to find the equation of altitude passing through the vertex A. That means what is that formula? X minus x1 into x2 minus x3 plus y minus y1 into y2 minus y3 is equals to 0. y2 minus y3 is equals to 0. Here this one is that x1 comma y1, and this point is that x2 comma y2, and this one is that x3 comma y3. By substitute in this one, x minus x1 is nothing but that x. x2 minus x3 is that minus 1. So x into minus 1 plus y minus y1 is that y. y2 minus y3 is that 4 minus 0 is that 4. So this one is that 4 is equals to 0. So this value will be equals to, here you multiply with the minus 1. X minus 4 into y is equals to 0. So now according the given options, which point is satisfying this one? First you take that option 1, 3 comma 5 by 4. That means here x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 5 by 4. Then it will get that 3 minus 5. That is not equals to 0. Next 3 comma 12 also not equals to 0. 3 comma 3 by 4. 3 minus 4 into 3 by 4 is 3. 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. So this option is that satisfying. Third option 3 comma 9. You substitute in this one. 3 minus 36 minus 33, that is not equals to 0. So from that above options, which is that satisfying? Only third option. So clearly 3 comma 3 by 4 lies on the above equation, So therefore orthocenter of triangle is equals to 3 comma 3 by 4. This one is the correct option. So once again I am reminding you, suppose if more than one options are satisfying this altitude, so already I said that you find the one more altitude and you substitute which options are satisfying the first one. Now only one point will satisfy, that is the correct answer. So here is that correct option is that what? Third option is that correct answer. Okay, this one is that orthocenter of the triangle formed by the given points. Now we'll see the next question. Say the orthocenter of triangle formed by the points minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 0 and 0 comma root 3. So in generally in any point the coordinate is an irrational number root 3. These points will be form an equilateral triangle. So please all of you remember this point. In general, in any point, if the coordinate is contains the root 3 means not only the root 3, either 2 into root 3 or 4 into root 3 or 2 plus root 3, like whatever that. So if root 3 is existing in that any point, then generally those points will be form an equilateral triangle. Here you see, here this one very clearly you can say that this is that. Now minus 1 comma 0 is lies on x-axis on the left hand side, minus 1 comma 0, and here is that 1 comma 0 is also lies on x-axis, okay, on the right side. Here is 0 comma 3 is that root 3 is that lies on that y-axis, lies on that y-axis. By joining these points, you will be get the triangle. See what is this point is nothing but what? 0 comma root 3. See that this length will be equals to 2. This length will be equals to 2, right? So one side length is the 2. By doing finding that this length is also 2 and this length is also 2. So very clearly these points form an equilateral triangle. So we know already, if the given points form an equilateral triangle, orthocenter will be equals to the centroid of the triangle. So now first you write that, therefore clearly the triangle is equilateral. The triangle is equilateral. Therefore orthocenter is equals to centroid of the triangle. Centroid of triangle. So what is the centroid formula? Sum of the x coordinates by 3 comma sum of the y coordinates by 3. Sum of the x coordinates means minus 1 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 by 3 is equals to 0. And next sum of the y coordinates is that root 3 whole divided by 3. Root 3 by 3 is equals to 1 by root 3. So your answer is that 0 comma 1 by root 3. So orthocenter of the triangle will be 0 comma 1 by root 3. So your correct answer is that fourth option is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please all of you like, share and subscribe this channel.